Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the OnePlus 6T against the OnePlus 6T. Yes, that is right. So I have the 6GB model on the left and the 8GB model on the right. So how much difference will the extra 2GB of RAM make? Let's find out in this video. The OnePlus 6T has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the Snapdragon 845 CPU along with the Adreno 630 GPU, and this model has 6GB of RAM. Then we have the 8GB RAM variant. Everything will be the same apart from the storage. It will either have 128GB or 256GB of storage. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the 8GB RAM model wins by 4 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So in round 2, the 8GB RAM model wins again by 7 points. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the 8GB RAM model won by 4 points. In round 2, the 8GB RAM model won again, this time by 7 points, and it also had a perfect score. So if you want the extra performance the 2GB extra RAM gives, then it'll cost you an additional £30. Now if you want the very top end, which has 256GB of storage, then it will cost you an additional £80. If you have enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up, including the Google Pixel 3, and you will see similar comparison videos. So make sure you have your bell notification enabled. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.